Alright, we're finally in the dining room for the drywall installation, just the last room to go. Unfortunately, I have to leave. I have a cheer competition to go to. My girls are cheering today, so I am leaving my husband to do the drywall with my son. We are going to be building a fireplace, and there's a lot of detail on the work. We've really put a lot of thought into this room, so I really hope that my husband doesn't go rogue and he does what I ask him to do. So wish us luck.
As you can see, we've pretty much finished off in the master bedroom here with the drywall. Fortunately, we're out of the half-inch drywall at the moment. I've got to go pick some more up. So we're moving on to the more complicated portion of the house.
Since this is going to be our formal dining room, I wanted to add some detail to make it look more grand and formal. Here's a look at what our dining room used to look like before. Our ceilings are pretty high, so I'm thinking a tray ceiling similar to these that I found online will add some detail and make it feel more formal. Alright, I'm back from cheer, and we still have a lot to do in the dining room. One of them is to build a fireplace right here in my dining room. I think it would look really great going with our nice new ceiling we got going on. So now, you're up.
All I have is a drawing to go off of, so we'll see how this goes. Typical. She runs away whenever there's hard work to do.
I'm gonna post a few pictures of kind of the vision that I have here so you can kind of see what we're trying to do. But so far, I'm super excited. It's gonna look so good.
So when you have a really anal designer, you gotta make sure everything is pretty much plumb and level from the get-go, almost 100%. So I'm using my nice Bosch level that I got that my designer also said was a waste of money. But anyway, it is coming in quite a bit really handy at the moment. So it's allowing me to draw the straight lines. Unfortunately, some of these boards have been laying here too long, so they are cupped or warped a little bit, but we'll get them straightened back out.
I just asked him if I needed to do something and he said no. I'm trying. Do you think it's too narrow? Because I thought we were going to line it up with that beam right there.
Yes, but by the time you do drywall, it's going to be flush pretty much. You know what I mean? So the drywall is going to go and bed in pretty much into the thing.
So I mean like this whole thing I thought was going to go straight up into the beam. Like that way. Don't you think it's too narrow? I mean you gotta think like once you get the insert in, it's just gonna be in the mantle, like it's just not real proportion. You know what I mean? I don't know.
That's not a mantle, but that's just
The height of the mantle.
it's a brace. Though, that's all.
I don't know. I don't know. What do you think?
It's 4 feet wide. I mean,
I know, but look at stand back and look at the proportion.
yeah.
I don't know. I mean, it just seems really narrow.
you're gonna widen it, you almost gotta go on the other side of the beam.
I think it'll be fine. Okay, do you think it's too narrow? That's what we're trying to figure out. I feel like it's too narrow. I don't know. Just keep going.
I'm not tearing it out once I get it done.
Okay. Video confirmation, I'm telling him to keep going. Keep going. We're gonna do it this way.
Can you text that to me? Can you send me an email?
Put it in writing. Come on, give it a quality tap. Come on. Come on, give it a quality tap.